Excuse me, barmaid. I'm afraid you brought me the wrong offspring. I ordered an extra large boy with beefy arms, extra guts and glory on the side. This is a talking fish bone.
Yeah.
Mr. Lover, I'm Mr. Lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Rowe.
Human beings in a mob. What's a mob to a king? What's a king to a god? What's a god to a non-believer who don't believe in anything? You see that? The future chief is a coward!
So high where I need to come down for oxygen. Cause once we started, baby, ain't no stopping in. So I just wanna live my life to party. All I want is to be free and love my body. Around the world, I wanna live my life.
And I don't care how scary he is, do not let him out of your sight again.
What? He scares me.
And if I didn't, the game would end here. And what fun would that be?